mask. Please don't check seat pockets and overhead lockers for any personal belongings. Also take care when opening overhead lockers and stored items in a heavy mode during the flight. Further reservations on Air Pacific, they should be made well ahead of travel date. Please do study your customs and quarantine statements carefully, as there are penalties imposed if these requirements are disregarded. For those of you who needed terminal assistance upon arrival, we ask of the ground handling staff that do not hesitate to contact them for any help that you may require. On behalf of Captain Lee Nelson, the rest of the crew of the service, we trust that you have enjoyed our Air Pacific hospitality, and we also thank you for choosing to fly with Air Pacific for your flight needs. We do look forward to being of service to you and making a flight with us more relaxing and rewarding when next you fly. And for those of you returning home, welcome back. And for those
Mananga